Welcome children, this is your social class, the continuation of chapter 2, our industries. So the previous classes we are discussed about which are the raw materials, what is factory and what is an industries, and what are the things is needed to make a set of an industry, and everything we are explained what is the cottage industries also. So tell me children, what is the cottage industry? Cottage industry are set up by people, yes, set up by people in their own homes. A few people are working together, and which are the things or which are the raw material they available nearby. So these are the points they are depending to make an industry, and the examples of the cottage industry is also grinding flour, extracting oil, weaving cloths, making toys, basket, utensils making, everything. Okay, and today we are going to study what is small scale industries and what is large scale industries, and what are the difference between this all industries. Okay, so tell me children, what is small scale industries? That is, small scale industries employ a few workers. In comparatively cottage industries, in small scale industries are comparatively they are working a few workers. Okay, comparatively they are working in a few workers and employ a few workers and use small machines also. In cottage industries they are not using machines and all. What are the raw materials they are available nearby, they are depending. And the small scale industries are they are growing little bit up. Cottage industries so little bit up, that means they are using few workers and also they use small machines. Okay, and people work in a small factory. The peoples are working in a small factory, not a big factory, and they are not in a working their homes. Okay, the peoples are working in a homes, that is cottage industry. At the same time, small scale industry, the peoples are the small factories they are working, and few workers also working, and they are using small machines also. Okay, that is small scale industry. And what are the examples of small scale industries? That is, they make utensils, garments, then hosiery items, and electrical and plastic goods. What do you mean by hosiery items? That is, items such as stocking and socks. Okay, this is hosiery item. This is also they are making small scale industries. So children, did you understood what is the difference between cottage industry and small scale industry? Okay, I repeat, cottage industry is set up by a few people and to set up by their own homes, and what are the raw materials they available nearby, they are making an industry. That is cottage industry. Small scale industry, few workers are working and some machine, that means small machines also they are using in the small scale industry, and people work in a small factories. So this is also small scale industry. And the next one is, what is large scale industry? Okay children, what is large scale industry? Large scale industry is employ thousands of workers. Okay, not a few and not a less and all. Thousands of workers are working in large scale industries, and a large number of goods produced with a big machines. Okay, a big machines, they are using big machines, not a small machines and not at their own homes. It's a big factory and big machines. Thousands of employees are working and a large number of goods are produced. That is also a large number of product. Okay, there are large number of product, large machines they are using, and big factories, thousands of workers are working in large scale industries also. and highly trained workers are working in this industry. നമുക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമുള്ള ആളുകളെയൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് എടുത്ത് ചേർക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ? No. Thousands of workers are working, and these all workers are trained graduate level people. Okay, the trained peoples are working in this industry. And large scale industries include, which are they large scale industries? That is textiles mills, IT company, iron, steel plants, oil refineries, chemical plants, factories, manufacturing companies, automobiles, railway equipments making company. So lot of companies are there. These all big companies, they needed trained workers. Okay, and thousands of people are working. They are producing also more manufacturing things as also they are making in this companies. This is large scale industries. I hope all are understood what are the difference between cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Okay, these three industries are very important. Okay, so everybody read your proper and study this all answers. And large scale industries are generally located in areas where raw materials are power and easily available. Okay, ഈ അവർക്ക് വേണ്ട raw materials മറ്റും from where they will get available, in that areas they are making large scale industries. Okay children, so this is the difference between cottage, large scale and small scale industries also. So everybody look at the blackboard. So small scale industries employ a few workers are employed and use small machines, people working in a small factories. So this is small scale industries. And what is large scale industries? Employ thousands of workers are working. A large number of goods are produced with big machines. Okay, and located in these areas where their raw materials are available and where their raw materials are easily available, in that areas they are making large scale industries. Okay, study this all questions. Okay, then after you can see the map in your textbook, that is which are in Indian states, which are the states are mostly found the important industries we can found from there. Okay, we can see textiles, iron, steel, railway equipments, automobiles, everything. So you look at the map, everything, everybody look at the map. Okay, the next page, page number 156, you can see one table also. Everybody read proper because that is very important. And which are the places, these all industries, in which are the places were located in India? So cotton textiles, silk textiles, woolen, iron, jute mills, sugar milk, railway equipments, automobiles, electronic goods, shipbuildings and aircraft manufacturing. These all industries, in which are the important places they can found. And for the examples, cotton textiles in Maharashtra, Gujarat. In Maharashtra, in from where the places, that is in Mumbai. Okay, and Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore, Uttar Pradesh in Varanasi. So this is important table. Everybody want to read 5 or 10 times. Okay children, so in this table based the questions also will come the exam. Okay children, and we'll check textbook activities. First one, circle the correct answer. Bread is a raw material or finished good? The answer is bread is a finished good. Okay, and wheat and the raw material. Okay children, the goods are made in a park or factory. Goods are made in a factory. According to size, there are 3 or 4 types of industry. Which type of, how many types of? 3 types of industry. Fourth one, large scale industries are located near cities or villages. That is cities. And Chittaranjan or Ahmedabad is famous for railway equipments. So that is the answer is Chittaranjan. So that is also, that answer also coming in this box. Okay, then match the columns. Bhelai is iron and steel plant. Then Bhagalpur is the answer is silk textile. Then Panchkula, the answer is electronic goods. Bangalore, the answer is aircraft manufacturing. Then Visakhapatnam, the answer is ship building. So this match the 4 columns. This question also coming based in this column. That's why I am telling study this column proper. Okay. And the question answers is coming. What is an industry? Write the things as you need to set up an industry. What is industry, children? The process of making a particular product using machines in a factory. It's called an industry. So what are the things as? That is raw material, then machines, power supply, human labor, money, and some transport also, and other things is also depending. Okay. Second, what are cottage industries? That's also we are explaining that cottage industries is set up by their own homes. Few peoples are working from there, which are the raw materials are they are available nearby. They are making the things and all. So that is cottage industry. And what is large scale industry? What is small scale industries? That is, small scale industries employ a few workers. They are using small machines and they use in a small factories also. And the last one is, what is large scale industries? Large scale industries, thousands of people are working in this industries. Large scale industry also using a large machines also using. They are producing a large number of product they are producing. And which are the minerals and which are the raw materials they are getting available in that areas they are making large scale industries. Okay, these are the answers. These all question answers are very important. Read your textbook proper, study these all answers. Okay children, thank you.